Hello, this video is on the Terms of Service splash screen and brought to you by Nelson Systems Incorporated. I'll be using an Eventide Nextlog DX model recorder with software version 2024.2. The Terms of Service display splash screen is verbiage that you can present to the user when they're logging into the MediaWorks software. It lets them know that their actions are being monitored and audited, so it can be any of the legal verbiage that you need to present to your users. Log into Configuration Manager. Go to the Users and Security section, System Security, and on the General tab, you'll click to enable Terms of Service splash screen in MediaWorks Plus clients, and it tells you where to edit that file. So to add your verbiage, you would go to the System section, Configuration Files, and the Terms of Service display. So once you have that enabled in the previous section, you'll come here, View Edit File, and replace the word here with whatever verbiage you want to show in your Terms of Service display. Once that is entered, click Save, and it'll upload to the recorder. And that's all it takes to set up a Terms of Service display for your users in MediaWorks. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.